Now we start the original 10th syllabus. First lesson we have completed early set of the bridge course. After bridge course we have started original 10th syllabus and chapter number 2, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, quad. You know quad? You very well know quad of the mobiles. What they are? Quad means 2. तुमच्या कानात घालायचे जे कॉर्ड असते त्याला किती हे असतात? 2 कानात 2 तुम्ही घालता. कॉर्ड मीन्स 2. So quadratic equation, what is meant by quadratic equation? The equation in which the degree of variable is 2. Degree of variable is 2. That means quad. In equation, the degree of variable is only and one and only 2. Then it is called the quadratic equation. For example, 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this, variable is x and degree of variable, that is power of variable, is 1. So that means here is not degree of variable is 2. Therefore, this is not the quadratic equation. In 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. In this equation, the degree of equation is 3. That is, most power of the variable is 3. And we don't have the degree 3. Therefore, this is not also quadratic equation. So, 4x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation, the degree of variable is 2. Degree of equation is 2. That is, the most power of the variable is only 2. Therefore, this is the quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, one more condition is there. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation in which degree of this equation is 2 and value of a is not equal to 0 any time. That is the condition for quadratic equation. It is the standard form or general form of the quadratic equation and a is not equal to 0. Here a, b, c are the real numbers. Real numbers are in decimal form, in quotient form, whatever may be. But a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then this multiplication is 0. So the term of degree 2 is absent, and when the degree is 1, there is no quadratic equation. Therefore, a is not equal to 0 is the condition for quadratic equation. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. We have to learn it by heart. Why? Because the problems on this quadratic equation depends on value of a, b, c. Therefore, we know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, the question in exam is in that form. Convert the given equation in. Convert the given equation in standard form. This is for 1 mark. Okay. And if convert the equation in standard form and write value of ABC. Then it becomes for 2 marks. Okay. Only conversion 1 mark. Conversion with value of ABC is 2 mark. Now suppose example 4x square is equal to 8x minus 10. This is the given equation. Now we have to convert this in standard form. So for this standard form conversion, we have to take all terms to the left side and right side is always 0. All terms into the left side. For this, when we getting the terms to left side, the subtraction becomes addition, addition becomes subtraction, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So 4x square, here 8x is plus, here is plus sign. When this 8x shifted to left side, it becomes minus 8x. This minus 10 shifted to left side becomes plus 10. Sign will be changes when we shifted the right to left, and right side becomes only 0. So this is the standard form of this given equation. Okay. All the terms shifted to left side. When shifted left side, the sign will be changes, that is plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Now this is the standard form equation. We have to write the value of ABC. For value of ABC, we have compare this equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with this equation, we get a is equal to, here a is equal to value is 4, b is equal to, now here is plus b but the value is minus 8, so b value is minus 8, c is equal to plus c, here also plus 10, so c is equal to plus 10. That is the value of a, b and c. Convert this equation into standard form and then write the value of ABC. When writing the value of ABC, we have compare this equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c right here, and we take the arrow and write the values. This arrow for your convenience I have taken. We don't write the arrows. Only a is equal to 4, b plus b is here and minus 8 is here. So in equation where is minus, take the value with minus sign. Okay. So this is the 2.1 exercise. One thing is remaining, that is roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. That is, suppose 4x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to check the x is equal to 1. Whether x is equal to 1 is the root of this equation or not. We have to check. So for checking we have x is equal to 1. So substitute here x is equal to 1. 4 as it is into 1 square minus 5 into, in place of 1 we have take 1 plus 6 as it is equal to 0. Now 4 into 1 square is 1, 5 ones are 5 plus 6 is equal to 0, 4 ones are 4 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 1 and plus 6 different signs, so subtraction is here. 5 bigger number sign for the answer. 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation? No. 5 is not equal to 0. Therefore, if 5 is not equal to 0, that means x is equal to 1 is not a solution for this equation. When the value becomes here again 0 and here again 0, then only this is the root for this equation. Either this will not take root for given equation. So, write the given values of variables are roots of this equation or not, we have to check this. Okay.